How RMI architecture compares to the open system integration OSI architecture in Java remote method invocation. Here you can see how RMI architecture compares to the open system integration OSI architecture. The RMI application application layer, like OSI application layer, contains the application programs. The stub and skeleton layer is similar to the OSI presentation layer in that it manages the remote object interface between client and server. The skeleton communicates with the stub except in Java 2.0 or higher, which has no skeleton. Once it obtain a reference to the remote object, the client can invoke it and receive the arguments of the operations allowed. The stub marshals and unmarshals the argument sent over the connection. OSI session layer is similar to the RMI layer that obtains a reference to the remote object from the naming registry service module. Finally, the TCP/IP network protocol packets encapsulates the transport layer. Transport layer contains Java remote method protocol JRMP, also called the wire protocol. This shows RMI's architecture maps easily to the layers of more common open system integration OSI model. RMI architecture is highly suited for application servers that accepts code, data, and method calls from clients on fly. Persistent references let RMI control the number of active objects. The server can deactivate some objects so that the other objects can do their work. A client could reactivate the object on demand. Applications with many servers resulting many object references would benefit from RMI. Examples include airline reservation systems and enterprise-wide document archiving systems. Here you can see a client application interact with the stub, and stub interact with remote reference layer. Remote reference layer interact with Java remote method protocol. Java remote method protocol interact with remote reference layer and remote reference layer is there, and JDK versions prior to 2.1 used a skeleton stub at this point, and skeleton stub is connected to applications, server application and remote reference layer. Here you can see with OS layers. In application layer you can see a client application and server application. In presentation layer you can see stub and skeleton. In session layer you can see a remote reference layer. Transport network layer you can see Java remote method protocol. here you can now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.